Imagine whipping up crispy, golden fries or juicy chicken wings in minutes, all without the guilt of greasy oil or the hassle of a messy cleanup. This GreenLife 4.5 Quart Mechanical Air Fryer in Blue Haze delivers exactly that, a perfect blend of convenience, health-conscious cooking, and stylish design. Whether you're a busy parent, a health enthusiast, or someone looking to simplify meal prep, this air fryer is a game changer. Why choose the GreenLife 4.5 Quart Mechanical Air Fryer? Air fryers have revolutionized home cooking, but not all are created equal. The GreenLife 4.5 Quart Mechanical Air Fryer stands out with its non-toxic ceramic non-stick coating, spacious capacity, and user-friendly design. It's crafted to solve common cooking pain points: unhealthy frying methods, time-consuming prep, and tedious cleanup. With a focus on healthy cooking and dishwasher-safe convenience, this air fryer is ideal for anyone who wants delicious meals without compromising on safety or ease. Key features that make it shine: PFAS-free ceramic nonstick. Crisper draw. The signature ceramic coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring your meals are safe and free from harmful chemicals. Food slides out effortlessly, and cleanup is a breeze. 4.5 quart family-sized capacity. Perfect for feeding 4 to 6 people, this air fryer handles everything from crispy veggies to full chicken roasts, making it a versatile choice for family dinners or meal prep. Adjustable temperature and timer dial. Simple, intuitive controls. Let you customize cooking times and temperatures, up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for precise results every time. LED indicator. Lights. No more guesswork. Clear indicators tell you when the fryer is preheating and when your food is ready. Stay cool. Handle. Safely and comfortably slide the drawer in and out, even when it's hot, for seamless food transfer. Dishwasher-safe drawer and tray. Pop the drawer and tray in the dishwasher for effortless cleaning, saving you time and energy. Benefits that seal the deal: healthier meals. Without sacrifice, air frying uses up to 75% less oil than traditional frying, letting you enjoy crispy, flavorful dishes with fewer calories. The PFAS-free coating ensures no harmful chemicals sneak into your food. Time-saving convenience. With rapid air circulation and a spacious 4.5 quart basket, you can cook large meals in under 30 minutes, perfect for busy weeknights or hosting guests. Stress-free cleanup. The non-stick ceramic surface and dishwasher-safe parts make post-cooking cleanup as simple as a quick wipe or a dishwasher cycle. Versatile cooking options. From roasting and baking to reheating and dehydrating, this air fryer handles a wide range of recipes, reducing the need for multiple appliances. Stylish and compact design. The Blue Haze finish adds a pop of color to your kitchen, while the compact footprint, 14 inches long by 10 inches wide by 11 inches high, fits neatly on any countertop. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? To test the GreenLife 4.5 Quart Air Fryer, I put it through its paces with a variety of dishes: crispy sweet potato fries, garlic parmesan chicken wings, and even a batch of homemade donuts. The results? Impressive across the board. The adjustable temperature dial made it easy to fine-tune settings for each recipe. For the fries, I set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through. They came out perfectly crispy outside and fluffy inside, with no soggy spots. The chicken wings, cooked at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, were juicy with a golden, crunchy exterior, restaurant quality without the oil overload. Even the donuts, a trickier recipe, baked evenly at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, proving this fryer's versatility beyond just frying. Who's this air fryer for? The GreenLife 4.5 Quart Mechanical Air Fryer is perfect for busy families. The The 4.5 quart capacity feeds 4 to 6 people, ideal for family dinners or batch cooking. Health-conscious cooks, PFAS-free, ceramic nonstick, and low-oil cooking make it a go-to for clean eating. Beginner cooks. Simple controls and clear indicators make it beginner-friendly. No culinary degree required. Holiday gift seekers. Its sleek Blue Haze design and practical features make it a thoughtful, crowd-pleasing gift. Small space dwellers. Compact yet powerful, it's great for apartments or crowded countertops. Final verdict: should you buy it? The GreenLife 4.5 Quart Mechanical Air Fryer is a standout choice for anyone seeking a healthier, easier way to cook. Its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick, family-sized capacity, and dishwasher-safe design make it a practical, guilt-free addition to any kitchen. While the timer dial could be more precise, the overall performance, ease of use, and sleek Blue Haze aesthetic more than make up for it. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen essentials, gifting a loved one, or diving into air fryer recipes, this fryer delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.